my channel. In today's video I am going to do a huge Nykaa haul. I did this shopping from Nykaa Super Summer Saver sale, but I got my parcel very late. That's why I was not able to upload this video earlier, but anyway I want to share my purchase with you guys, so I thought to share with I thought to upload this video. And Nykaa पे कोई ना कोई सेल चलती रहती है, तो you can check out their app. And let's get started today's video. But before that, if you are new here, then hi, my name is Poonam Sharma and I create videos of fashion and beauty. If you like to watch same in your YouTube feed, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. So let's talk about face wash. I got two face wash. The one is from M Caffeine and it is their green tea face wash. It has vitamin C on it and it is suitable for all skin types. I'm using this product 2 to 3 days now and it is quite a gentle face wash. It doesn't dry out your skin, and if you love green tea, you will love this product because it has green tea fragrance on it. And also green tea is good ingredients for your skin, and for summers green tea is a must-have ingredient, so you can check out this product and update my reviews on it in my next videos. The next face wash I got it from Nykaa and it is their cucumber and aloe vera face wash. It is for hydration and it has amazing ingredients like cucumber and aloe vera. When you apply it, you will feel cucumber fragrance. And also if you do double cleansing, you can check out this product because it is a normal face wash, so it is more suitable for double cleansing. So if you do double cleansing, you can check out this product. The next product I got it from Tony Moly and it is their for nose strip. The packaging of this product is very cute and I got 7 pieces in just 180 rupees. I never used nose strip before, so I don't know how they work, but I will update you once I review this product. The next product I got is from Lakme and it is their 9 to 5 vitamin C face serum. Vitamin C is a beginner friendly ingredient and I just started using this product, so I don't have much to say about it. But if you are looking for a vitamin C serum, you can check out this product because it is non-greasy and absorbs in your skin very quickly. Also the consistency of this serum is quite thick, so you can check out this product. I will update my reviews in my next videos. Now let's talk about makeup. The first thing I got is this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I am in the shade Bombing and this shade fit me perfectly. I'm wearing this one right now and it has medium to full coverage. But the bad thing about this product is its packaging. Like आप जब इसको अप्लाई करोगे तो ये एप्लीकेटर ऐसा है कि ये इससे फाउंडेशन नीचे गिरेगा ही गिरेगा. सो यू कांट यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट इन ए वेरी गुड वे, लाइक आई कैन से. सो I don't know, but big no from my side. The next product I got is this coral blush. It is from Maybelline Fit Me range. The color of this blush is beautiful looking coral, and talking about this product, it has shimmy particles on it and it blends easily. And also the good thing about this product is its packaging. Like it's a very cute tiny dabba, so you can take thumbs up from my side. And I'm wearing this one right now and it is a beautiful looking coral shade. The last thing of this haul is lipstick and I got 3 of them. The one is from Maybelline New York and it is their sensational liquid matte lipstick. I am in the shade More Than Red and it is a beautiful looking coral type lipstick. You can see it look like this. So it is a very good lipstick. You can check out this product. The next lipstick I got is also from Maybelline New York, and it is a matte bullet lipstick. I am in the shade Divine Wine, and the quantity of this product is huge, like you can see, and it is a beautiful looking wine color, so you can check out this product. Last lipstick is from Nykaa, and it is a cute little tiny dabba, and I am in the shade Kasi, and it is also a liquid lipstick. You can see the color of this is look like this is a beautiful looking nude shade. You can check out this product if you are looking for a good nude lipstick. I am wearing this one right now. The last product of this video is this cute packet from M Caffeine. They sent it for free, and it has these three things it has coffee face wash and coffee scrub, and it also has a body scrub. I used this product before, and it is such a good scrub. You can check out this product, you will love it. It has really very good fragrance of coffee. You will love it. Check out this product. I also got this soap from DMart. It is a Khadi Naturals Neem and Tulsi soap. It is such a good. It has such a good fragrance. I will use this, and so that's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment down below, and also follow me on Instagram. And I will see you in next video. Bye bye.